Morning students. Today I'm going to take English class for class 3. In the last class we have seen lesson 2, a magic mango. We have seen the story, first part of the story till we have seen this place. Now we shall continue with the remaining story. In the first class we saw that parrot, as you can see, this parrot likes a magic mango, and this is Sunili. What is her name? Her name is Sunili. So he was sick. He is the daughter of king, and she was sick. King called so many doctors, best doctor from the world, from far away, but girl did not get all right. But his guard said, if the girl eats the little magic mango, then she will get all right, she said. So then she told, we can get this mango from the Brahmin and her wife Ramghat. So there was a big parrot called Popat. Her name is Popat. Okay, this parrot was living with Brahmin and his wife. They are living a poor family. So this parrot flew together with the other birds to search. So yes, last class we saw this till here, and now Popat promised, I won't tell anyone. Matlab, the birds on the tree told Popat not to tell the magic mango tree. Magic mango tree का जगह का कभी नहीं बताना बोला. तो Popat promise किया, हम कभी नहीं और किसी को नहीं बोलेगा. So this is the promise of Popat. The bird gave him the magic mango and he returned to the Brahmin's hut. So they gave, the golden birds gave a magic mango to the Popat. This is Popat. Gave him a magic mango, and this parrot took the magic mango and returned to the Brahmin's hut. Popat said, here is the mango. यहाँ है magic mango. Please take it to the princess. Princess means राजा का बेटी को princess बोलता है. So please take it to the princess, said the parrot. Who said? Parrot. He said, this parrot said, here is the magic mango. Please take it to the princess. The Brahmin and his wife were so much pleased. Pleased means बहुत खुश हुआ. Parrot से क्या हुआ? बहुत खुश हुआ. They were very much pleased with the parrot Popat. They asked, where is the magic mango tree? कौन पूछा? Both of them, okay? The Brahmin and wife asked to the Popat, where is the magic mango tree? Popat जवाब दिया. What he said? I am sorry. मतलब I am sorry. I can't tell it to anyone. हम कभी किसी को नहीं बता सकेगा. I am sorry, she said the Popat. I promised the golden bird to keep this as secret. चुपचाप, किसी को नहीं बताएगा, वो promise लिया है. So he said sorry. The magic mango tree should be kept as secret. So the bird Popat did not tell where is the magic mango tree to the Brahmin and his wife. So the Brahmin and with his wife took the magic mango tree to the king and said, Sir, here is the magic mango for the princess. समझा? ब्राह्मण और वाइफ ने मैजिक मैंगो के लेके राजा का पास गया और बोला, सर, हियर इज द मैजिक मैंगो फॉर द प्रिंसेस. द किंग वॉज सरप्राइज, अमेज, बहुत खुश. ही वॉज लॉन्गिंग, सोच रहा था कहाँ मैजिक मैंगो मिलेगा बोल के. लेकिन क्या हुआ, ब्राह्मण एंड हिज वाइफ ब्रॉट ए मैजिक मैंगो टू द king and gave it to the princess. The king was amazed to see it. He gave it to the princess. जैसे मैजिक मैंगो को दिया ऐसा ही प्रिंसेस को दे दिया. प्रिंसेस, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द प्रिंसेस? सुनीली. Okay, gave it to the princess Sunili. She ate it and got well at once. Understood? As soon as she ate the magic mango, she was all right. Okay? She was about to die because of sickness, but when he ate the magic mango tree, she got well at once. This princess asked the king. जब अच्छा हो गया प्रिंसेस सोनाली, then he asked his father king. Okay? Father, who brought the magic mango? Tell me. The king told about the poor Brahmin and his wife. Then what happened? सुनीली के आँख से आंसू बहाने लगा. Okay? आंसू बहाने लगा because of her thankfulness. बहुत खुशी से धन्यवाद देने के लिए उसका आँख से आंसू बहाने लगा. Because of gratitude came in Sunili's eyes. बहुत शुक्रिया बोला. She said, please call them and give them a good reward. Good reward means एक अच्छा तोहफा. Okay? एक अच्छा तोहफा देना है उसके लिए, ताकि जब हम मर रहा था उस समय वो लोग मेरे लिए नया जिंदगी फिर से दिया. I was dying but they saved my life. Because जीवन बचाया. कौन बचाया? ब्राह्मण और his wife saved the life of little Sunilis. The Brahmin came with his wife and the parrot. The king took him inside the palace and said, please accept this gold and money. The king said to the Brahmin and wife, प्लीज स्वागत करो कि मेरा सोना और पैसा को. द ब्राह्मण सेट, आवर पैरट पॉपेट इज द ट्रू क्लेमेंट. हम लोग का पैरट सब धन्यवाद का ये मैजिक मैंगो का लाने की सब कोशिश किया है, हम कुछ नहीं किया. रिवर्ट, बदला उससे मिलना है पैरट के लिए, पॉपेट के लिए. ऑफ हिज रिवर्ट ही फ्लू across the 7 seas and brought the magic tree. Across the 7 seas means बहुत दूर जाके ये मैजिक मैंगो को लाके दिया है. The princess spread her arms and said, Brahmin Baba, please give me your poppet. Give me your parrot. Brahmin Baba, please give me your parrot. He brought back my life. She, your poppet, पैरट उसका जिंदगी जब मरने से बचाया है. She took Popat, hag means embrace. Okay? Hag किया, hag him and kept him with her forever. Parrot, Popat stayed. The princess Sonalis kept parrot with her forever, and the Brahmin began to live a happy life with his wife in the part of the palace. On the side of the palace, क्वार्टर में खुशी से जिंदगी गुजर बिताया ब्राह्मण और his wife. So that is the magic mango that cures, वो चंगाई किया एक बीमारी बच्ची को, राजा का बच्ची को चंगाई किया. तो उसका रिटर्न रिवर्ट किसका मिला है? पैरट को और ब्राह्मण और his wife. So this is a beautiful story. So read it again and you will enjoy the story. So we shall come in the next class and do the exercises. Okay, thank you.